Hi there, I got your question here. So what I would suggest that you do, I think I may have showed you this before, is go to desmos.com, desmos.com. When you get there, it always has like all this stuff already on it. So you go over to these little lines here and do new blank graph. Okay, then you can type in these functions and see what they look like. And it really helps you to learn about it too. Let me show you. Okay, so 0.1 times 7 to the x. So 0.1, and then there's this little keyboard down here when you need to do like times 7, and then here's the exponent button. You can make an exponent of anything. I'm going to make an exponent of x. And then I need to get out of that exponent. So like I'm using the right arrow key on my keyboard so you can see up here how I was up in the exponent with my little cursor, and then when I push that right arrow key, now I'm out of it. And what was it? Minus 2.3. So minus 2.3. So here's that graph. And so the question was, which of the graphs is decreasing? So always start from left to right, just like you're reading. This graph is increasing. It eventually goes up. So that's not the right one. You can leave that one there and just make a new graph for the next one. It already told you this one's incorrect, so I'm just going to leave that one off. Let's look at these ones. 13 times 2.5 to the x. 13 times 2.5 to the exponent of x. And it was 7. So I'm going to have to zoom out to see this graph. There it is, but it's increasing, so that's not going to be it. Let's look at that last choice here. 1.25 times 0.3 to the x. 1.25 times 0.3 to the x and plus 7. So you can see that this green graph, let me zoom out a little so you can see better. The green graph from left to right is decreasing, it's going down. And you could have figured this out without even graphing them by looking at that growth factor. Remember the number that's in front, the number that's like being raised to the variable, that's our growth factor. And if the number is greater than 1, then it's exponential growth. And if the number is between 0 and 1, like this one, it's exponential decay, decay meaning decrease. So either by looking at the growth factor, you can tell, or if you're not sure, hop on Desmos anytime. You can just have the tab open next to wherever you're working and type it in and see what it looks like on the graph so you can see that it's decreasing. So hopefully that helps on that problem.